and welcome to yet another exciting episode of your favorite program Let's Go Shopping। जी हाँ, ये वो प्रोग्राम है जहाँ हम आपको बताते हैं कि आपके लिए मार्केट में क्या नया अवेलेबल है, क्या ट्रेंड्स आपको मार्केट में देखने को मिलेंगे, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कितने प्राइस का है। जी हाँ, तो चलिए हमारे शॉपिंग भरे सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं एक ऐसे आइटम के साथ जिसके बारे में आपने शायद ही सुना होगा। यस, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग रियली न्यू एंड समथिंग रियली कूल। ज्यादा सोचिए नहीं, आपको सीधा हम दिखाते हैं यही प्रोडक्ट। और जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया ही है कि आज हम लेट्स गो शॉपिंग में आपको कुछ खास दिखाने जा रहे हैं। इस वक्त हमारे साथ यहाँ मौजूद है रोहन। आई नो यू हैव समथिंग न्यू इन स्टोर फॉर अस टुडे, तो बताइए आज आप हमें क्या दिखाने जा रहे हैं।
Sure. What we're talking about here is the MapMinder Navigator. The MapMinder Navigator is a satellite-connected GPS navigation device for your car, which will let you travel anywhere to anywhere across India. The navigation device connects to satellites to figure out where you are, and given the map data inside, you can punch in where you want to go, say PVR Saket, or say Jaipur, or say Bangalore. Wherever you are in the country, it will guide you turn by turn, giving you voice instructions all the way to your destination, saying turn left in 100 meters, turn right in 100 meters.
Wow.
And along the way, if you're looking for a nearby ATM, petrol pump, medical service, if you're in an emergency, it will show you where the nearest one is and how to actually get there.
तो चलिए, ये तो इन्होंने हमें ब्रीफ में बताया है ये क्या है एक्चुअली। लेट्स सिट इनसाइड द कार एंड सी व्हाट इट इज एक्चुअली ऑल अबाउट। कम रोहन, लेट्स गो फॉर अ ड्राइव।
Thank you.
तो जैसा कि हमने देखा, हमें रोहन ने बताया था कि वो आज हमें इस नेविगेटर के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। अब हम ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से इसके बारे में डिटेल में जानते हैं।
When you buy the product, you get the quick start guide and a manual to understand how to use the product. You get the device preloaded with the maps for the entire country in this SD card. You can connect the device using power. Here's the volume control. And here you can plug in a earphone if you want to listen to the navigation or the music or the movie.
So you get the device card that you showed us. Can I just see it again?
This is the SD card, 1 gigabyte, which contains the map and the software. And
Of all, whichever places you want.
Across the country, exactly. I'll just show you how navigation works now. You click on navigate and then it says please drive safely, follow the local conditions, and then you press to accept, and in a couple of seconds it will actually locate where you are. So right now you can see that this is your current location. You can zoom the map out all the way to see the entire country, or you can zoom it in. You can change the map view around slightly. Right now you're seeing a perspective view. You can see a top view as well, and then you'll be able to see a split view as well, like this. Now what can you do once you start the device? You basically can go to either an address or intersection, which is a city, town, village, or a locality, sub-locality, street across the country, or you can go to a point of interest. The points of interest are within 52 categories, so you name it: ATMs, petrol pumps, ambulance services, apartments, bus terminals, your embassies, hotels premium or hotels budget, landmarks, lakes, beaches, post offices, whatever you may need, anything within a tourist or business landmark, you can get from this.
Wow.
You can choose where to go to, any address, and you can type it, or you can choose it from a list of pre-selected destinations. So previously I had chosen Mlog Market Greater Clash 1 as one example, or I had chosen Malviya Nagar. We can just go there. So click on Malviya Nagar, say go to start route, and now it will start guiding you.
Okay.
So
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
So this is what it does. It tells you that the next turn is 450 meters away, and time to the next turn is 1 minute. Your total distance to the destination is 2 kilometers, and time to the destination is 4 minutes. It shows you the planned route in terms of you'll take Passing Cave Mark and all of that. Gitanjali Mark will actually get to your destination. And nearby, as you are driving, you'll be able to locate where is the nearest ATM and how far is it, or the nearest petrol pump and how far is it, medical service, etc., restaurant, hotel. So let's start driving.
तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, we started driving now and I'm just waiting for the navigator to tell us where to take our next turn.
So people ask, you know, what happens if you don't follow the directions? So for example, I'm not going to follow it. What's going to happen then? Or you know, the road is currently jammed, etc. So you can't actually take the turn it's saying. It will automatically recalculate and get you to your destination. So you saw it was telling us something, and then I took a left turn, and now it's going to change the instruction and say, okay, now go like this. So you'll see it change.
जहाँ पर भी आप जो भी टर्न लेंगे, it will just match up to everything
Yeah,
around you,
automatically,
and automatically आपके वहीं से आपको वो बताएगा कि एक्चुअल से वहाँ से क्या टर्न लेना है.
Exactly.
Turn left ahead, then turn left.
तो जैसा कि हमने अभी सुना कि अब भी हमें ये नेविगेटर बता रहा है कि हमें पहले लेफ्ट लेना है और फिर उसके बाद एक और लेफ्ट लेना है. That's pretty cool actually. You can never get lost.
Yep, it's always telling you where you are. So you know, typically people ask us, or some people say, you know what, it's at night and I don't know where I am and I just feel suddenly lost. So the cases when either you are driving, you can need it, or even when you're not driving, you need it and it becomes useful. So you see right now it's saying turn left in 140 meters.
Wow.
And anytime you need
100 meters, turn left.
And as I take the left, you hear it double beep again, just reiterating the fact that you turn left right here.
तो जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा कि दिस इज द मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट थिंग विच इज अवेलेबल फॉर यू पीपल. आप कहीं भी अक्रॉस इंडिया जाएंगे, कहीं भी आप घूमना चाहते हैं, थ्रू दिस नेविगेटर यू कैन इजीली रीच योर डेस्टिनेशन. रोहन, अगर इस डिवाइस की ही बात करें तो ये कहाँ अवेलेबल है एंड हाउ मच वुड वन हैव टू स्पेंड टू परचेज दिस डिवाइस?
Right. In terms of the devices, we have two hardware models. One is the Delphi Nav 200, which you are seeing right now, and the other is the AMAX 06 GP5A, which is the other one I showed at the very beginning. Both the models are priced at 21,000 rupees, which includes preloaded maps for the entire country, and that's within Delhi state. Outside Delhi state, the price MRP is 22,000. Again, this includes all taxes, all shipping, and it comes with all the accessories that you would need, like the wall charger, car charger, the mount for the windshield, etc. It's available in many stores across Delhi, across Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chandigarh, with more and more cities coming up with dealers. Typically, these are your car accessory dealers, or your car dealerships, or your consumer electronics store where it's available. It's also available online. People can go to our website mapminder.com/navigator, and then they can see, read about the product. They can call our call center up and get to know about the product, and they can purchase it online through mapminder.com, or then we can redirect them to a dealer.
जैसे कि आपने देखा कि दिस इज वन थिंग विच ऑल यू पीपल शुड हैव, क्योंकि अगर आपको थोड़ी भी रोड में कंफ्यूजन है देन दिस इज वन डिवाइस जो कि आपको गाइड करेगा. एंड आई थिंक मी एंड रोहन आर नाउ गोइंग टू रीच मालवीयनगर सून विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिवाइस. तो आप सब भी जाइए और ये सारी फैसिलिटी से भरे, वेदर इट्स योर पिक्चर्स, वेदर इट्स म्यूजिक, वेदर इट्स मूवीज, से भरे डिवाइस को जरूर खरीदिए.